Hey guys, good morning. So the short 2-day trip in Ooty comes to an end. Hopefully by 4:30 we are expecting to reach Bangalore. 3:40. That's almost 7 hours of a ride.
53 minutes.
Not bad. Gonna miss this place quite a bit. More for the weather actually than the scenery. I think we got to ride around in some lovely weather conditions, and especially considering that it's 35, 37 back home in Hyderabad. This was just amazing. It was a bit hot yesterday in the mornings to ride, but it's summer, right? So, but once it was sundown, 4 p.m., it cooled down to almost 15 degrees. We went to an amazing place for dinner, which was an old British villa, and the ride to that was very spooky but fun. And in the entire night, this place becomes very spooky. But that's the best part of it. Like 9 p.m., almost everything was shut. We decided to go out to buy some chocolate and maybe have some chai. We couldn't find chai. And the ride was without much of a gear, and it was like 15 degrees, so quite chilly, and had amazing fun in the short 15-minute ride. Not much to do here, I guess, besides the typical touristy destinations, but on a whole, a lovely place to come in the summer, especially April, I guess, when it's just not too hot and it gets enough to make you forget summer that's back home, which is like 35, 36 degrees. And we had a lovely ride. The roads were amazing, and the Ghat sections were brilliant. Now we are on our way back to Bangalore, which is like an 8-hour ride. We decided to move a little later than our expected time because we thought there is nothing much to do in Bangalore besides just crashing. So we're gonna just go around 8:30, have some quick breakfast and leave. Hopefully reach there before the peak traffic starts at 5. So hopefully by 4:30 we are expecting to reach Bangalore. And look who we are here. The sleepy guy. Got up very late, as usual. Always late to a ride, always late to get ready. And now he's telling he got up earlier than me. Look who is ready and who is not.
I'm really not ready. I got up earlier than him.
See, that's what you have to bear with when you have to travel in a group.
Fake rider.
So this is where we are having our breakfast since yesterday. In the namazes. Lovely place. There is even a temple nearby. Interesting architecture. Look at the glass house, guys. Arey, aise room banado. Lucky set.
Full light untalo.
It feels like a small plant nursery here with all these flowers. I think my mom would go mad seeing this. Like she would probably even pluck some trees and take it back home. But amazing weather here, guys. Just look at how blue the sky is. And I think you can even see the moon there. Okay. Focus on the moon. There. And this is the hotel we stayed in. Decent hotel. The rooms were big enough. I think that would be the best. Otherwise, quite a good deal. They even have a football field nearby. It's actually a high altitude training center for Sports Development Authority of India. So maybe runners, sprinters get trained here. Lovely place to get trained. I would love to run there actually. Not now. Now we are on a bike. We'll have some breakfast and catch you guys soon. We are finally leaving Ooty. We are on our way back to Bangalore. And I was so fine till 15 minutes back, and now I'm getting signs of migraine. Yeah, so let's hope it doesn't get big. Yeah, it is actually dangerous. Downhill. There is one technique that I learned while riding a horse was that when you're going downhill, and especially when it's too steep, you have to push back your body back and keep it up straight so that your body acts as if you're leaning forward, your position and motion will be more towards the forward, so it is kind of a balancing act. I think that's needed when the guard roads are like this, quite small and steep. Nice valley by the side, guys, although we can't get diverted by the view because these guards are very narrow, a lot of twists and turns, small roads, and we are going in third gear when it says go in third gear, first gear only. And the guys who are coming in the opposite direction are sometimes cutting the corners during crazy hairpin bends like these. Like literally my toes are on the pegs so that I don't scrape my shoes. See, brake, focus, turn, go again. That's the schedule. So the guard section is done. That's where we have come from. The guards were very narrow and tricky, especially when you're going downhill. It's actually very scary because you carry a lot of speed along with the gravity that you have, the momentum that you have actually, and you have to brake actually very hard, and sometimes brake in the corner also. Looks like we're taking a short stop. One tiger reserve ends, the other tiger reserve begins, guys. अरे मुन्नी जोड़ elephant right की. I think it's better we stop. Let it cross. No, let it cross. अरे जाओ साहब, जाओ. That poor thing wanted to cross and these idiots are taking photos. What nonsense, man. So we're just taking a coffee break at Cafe Coffee Day here in Gundlupet. Nice place to take a short break before you hit the hills because it takes 2 hours or roughly 75 kilometers to hit Ooty from here. So not bad a pit stop. అది చాలా షార్ప్ ఉంటాయి. ఆడ పేపర్ కూడా పెట్టుకోకుండా తీసుకెళ్తున్నాడు. Another 80 kilometers to our hotel in Bangalore, or actually outskirts of Bangalore. And for the last, I think we're taking a different route than what we came from. From the bottom of Ooty Hill till Bangalore, I guess this is a 4-lane road almost. Been pleasant for most part of it, except when we come across these towns and villages where there are no bypass roads like you have on the Hyderabad-Bangalore road. And there's some speed bumps right in the middle occasionally, but on a whole decent enough. I'm still surprised why the next 80 kilometers will take 1 hour 40 minutes as per Google, but I think we're gonna figure out why soon enough. We have finally reached Bangalore city. Now begins the hard part. 18 kilometers in 30 minutes. Not much traffic, I guess, but yeah, this road is a bit complicated. Arey, we should have taken the toll road, man.
316.
That is key. 340. That's almost 7 hours of a ride.
53 minutes.
Not bad. Nice hotel actually. Complete black and white theme. It's right at the outskirts, close to the airport, like 20 minutes from the airport. Seems like a cool place. But we'll be staying here only for 12 hours at the most, so let's see. Quite spacious, as you can see. Got a good deal on this room, so decided to take it. First point being it's on the outskirts of the city, close to the airport. Second, decent room. Nice view, right? I think we're just gonna get some rest because the plan is to start early by 3 a.m. in the morning tomorrow, so that we reach Hyderabad by 1 p.m. in the afternoon. To do that, we have to leave sharp by 3. Anything beyond that, we're gonna hit Hyderabad when it's at its hottest, and I don't think both of us would want that. Also, I got a coffee truck to run, so tomorrow evening it will be up and running. So I hope to go home by 1, get some rest, reach the truck by 4 p.m. and get it going. It's gonna be stressful, but that's the life, guys. No complaints. And if you are around High Tech City area, make sure you come to the truck. Okay? Bye.